Hey everyone, welcome back to Solution Guides. Today I'll show you how to apply for Amazon Flex driver sign up. First, download Amazon Flex, then you'll need an Amazon account to get started. If you already have one, tap sign in with Amazon. If not, select create an account. After signing in, the app will ask for several permissions. Tap continue. Then you'll see a list of requirements you need to meet, which are the following flashed on screen. If you don't meet all requirements yet, gather the documents first before continuing. Once ready, tap Get Started and confirm that you meet all criteria. Enter your postcode. This is where you'll be delivering. Choose your preferred delivery days by tapping a heart next to them. Example is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, then tap Next. Now select your preferred delivery times. Mark with a heart and press Next. Enter your vehicle information like year, model, fuel type, and confirm it's the vehicle you used. Always remember to be honest because incorrect information can delay or block your application. Continue through remaining steps to upload your ID, submit your vehicle documents, and complete background checks. If spots are available, you'll proceed with an application. If not, you may be added to waiting list and contacted later when slots open up. And that's it. If this helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.